for being so wonderful. Filmfare has chronicled the rise and rise of stars for a long time. And we'd like to believe there's a certain legacy that comes with Filmfare. And we've sort of perpetuated that legacy through the magazines, through the awards. And Alia and Shahid are probably the finest representatives of the Filmfare legacy, being born into film families as well. To me, Alia is a little baby who one has seen growing up, and one has sort of unconditionally loved her. Ditto for Shahid, who's also been the recipient. Actually, both of them, there's a happy coincidence. Both were winners of this year's Filmfare Award as well. So it's a double treat for us. And what else can I say about this Shandar couple? That they're lovely, lovely, lovely. And I hope to see much more of them on screen. And before I throw open the Q&As to the press, I will ask them a few questions. But before that, I'll ask Alia to say a few words.
What to say? This is my... I was on the Filmfare cover even before my first film came out. And वो Filmfare cover वो होता है ना कि उसमें होना चाहिए, Filmfare award मिलना चाहिए, उसका cover होना चाहिए. Filmfare and me have, as I say, a long-term relationship. और actually मेरा ये मानना है कि this is my best Filmfare cover. With a hero. So I'm very happy with this issue. हमारा shoot बहुत ही अच्छा था, बहुत ही spontaneous था, just like we like doing it. And thank you, Jitesh, for always being such a lovely Kushipu in my life.
Thank you so much, Alia. May I ask
First of all, good noon, ladies and gentlemen. It's really nice to be here at this beautiful Reliance Digital store. Thank you for the very, very kind words, Jitesh. I was very, very surprised with the amount of love that came from your side. So thank you so much for that. I guess this is the best looking cover I have ever done with a heroine as well. I'm just glad that Alia noticed me on the left of her, because usually when she's checking pictures, she sees nobody but herself. So it was nice that I got noticed by you. I'm very, very touched by that. Filmfare has been very kind to me in the last year. I fortunately won the Best Actor award, and I got it from Mr. Bachchan, which was a moment that I'll always cherish. So thank you, Filmfare, for that, and thank you, Jitesh, for that, giving me that moment. It really will be something that will stay with me for a long time, because, you know, actually I didn't know that Mr. Bachchan is there at that point in time, and he wasn't there in the audience at all, so it was a big surprise for me. We're very excited about this film, Shandar. We're very happy to be here to launch the Filmfare cover. Both me and Alia actually really, really love the cover, and Filmfare has been very, very kind to the film and to us and to everything. And so thank you, Filmfare, and thank you, Jitesh. And what is it that you want us to do next?
We'd like you to launch the cover. Is that what we're doing right now?
Yes.
you've shot with Siddharth. So why
Shot
is
with Varun and Sid. I've shot with Varun and I've shot with Arjun.
and so
And
why
I shot
is
with
this
Shahid.
cover with?
Personally, I believe that this is the best shot that I've gotten. I mean, every cover has a different this thing, but personally, I mean, I'm not going to like every picture of mine, and I like this picture of ours the most. And this shoot, in fact, just the vibe, even the inside pictures, not once did I feel like we were posing for the camera. And I also feel like that also, credit also goes to the very lovely photographer that we had,
Ericos.
Ericos.
Yeah. So Shahid, how does it feel shooting for your nth Filmfare cover?
For my end film, nth, I heard my end Filmfare cover. Subtle message. I thought Jitesh was okay. No, it's awesome, and I agree with Alia. The fact that whenever we kind of do something together, it seems to kind of have a good vibe, and I think we did this very spontaneously, this cover, and we actually, it was really hot when we were shooting, and so we shot everything really fast. We probably had 10 minutes to do each picture, and it turned out really cool. Yeah, all fun stuff. It was a Shandar photo shoot. We're very happy with it. And I caught you napping there. Good morning. How are you? Too much dandiya last night, maybe.
ये जो शॉट हमने लिया उन्होंने लिया था, ये हमने शॉट खत्म करके जब हम लोग वापस वैन की तरफ जा रहे थे, शायद just started tickling me, और फिर ये शॉट उन्होंने ऐसे ही randomly खींच दिया. So sometimes looks nice.
कोई अच्छे सवाल पूछ लो, नहीं तो हम बकवास करने वाले हैं. हमारी पिक्चर कल रिलीज हो रही है, दिमाग चल नहीं रहा है.
Let me ask
पूछ लो तुम
let
लोग.
me ask Vikas a question. So after Queen, is it like, are you daunted about the fact that you have a film releasing tomorrow and all of that?
Really enjoyed making Shandar, and like a school teacher. And I think the best part of making a film is making it and releasing it. So the best part is done, and now rest will follow when everyone watches and tells us what they think.
Are you nervous of coming in the wake of Queen?
That would be an understatement.
Okay, I'm throwing open the questions to the members of the press.
So Shahid, Alia, Vikas, finally tomorrow, Friday. So excited, nervous, क्या हो रहा है? Sorry, Thursday. So sir, finally it's coming on floor sir. तो are you nervous? पूरा hard work sir दिखने वाला है पूरा आपका अब तक का.
हाँ, पर हमारा काम खत्म हो गया. अब आप लोग नर्वस ही जाइए थिएटर के अंदर और देखिए आपको कितना मजा आता है. But we had a really good time making it, and I think that's the best part of the reason why we're in this business. We had a great 1 year, because when you make a movie, the Thursday or Friday is as important as the 1 year that you spent making it. So I think this 1 year, I'm so glad I gave this 1 year of my life to this movie, and I really hope that it shows good results by the end of it.
Alia, your take?
I'm very nervous. I'm very excited. I'm enthusiastic. I want to see the audience's reaction. अरे माइक का वॉल्यूम कम क्यों किया? बहुत अच्छा था लाउड. कम क्यों किया? बहुत अच्छा था. So yeah, I'm excited. I'm more excited, and it's good excitement. Like I have butterflies, but I'm always like this during release. So fingers crossed.
I'm happy. That's all I have to say.
So but Euphoria is coming from where sir? Can you tell us that also?
माइक थोड़ा पास ले ले भाई, कुछ
Sir,
सुनाई नहीं दे रहा
Euphoria आ कहाँ से रहा है? Can you
और
tell us?
पास ले ले थोड़ा.
और सर Euphoria आ कहाँ से रहा है वो बता दो.
यूफोरिया कहाँ से आ रहा है? There's something called adrenaline. Just before something big is going to happen, you feel adrenaline, and that usually makes you feel euphoric, which is why I'm feeling happy.
Perfect, good one. Sir, yesterday we met your sister. Sir, she said कि शाहिद ने हमें एक word of wisdom दिया है before getting.
एक ही वर्ड दिया है?
नहीं, word of
34
wisdom
साल
दिया
में
है.
एक ही वर्ड. हाँ, क्या बोला
She
उसने?
said कि be very honest with media, be very honest with your director, be very honest with everyone. So sir, apart that, there's something more to the story.
This is what I told her.
Yes, sir.
I was
she
being
said.
very dishonest when I told her this.
So Alia, you've shot for a Filmfare cover with Shahid, your co-star, Arjun, and you mentioned Varun. How about your co-star Fawad Khan from Kapoor and Sons? I mean, are you looking forward to a cover like that one too? How about you, Jitesh? Even your thoughts on this one?
You're asking me how is he?
No. I mean, are you looking forward to a cover with Fawad?
Of course. I think he's very photogenic and he's very good looking, and all the women are crazy about him. And he looks very good in everything that he wears. So why not?
How about you, Jitesh? Do you see that happening?
Why are you not asking me if I want to do a cover with Fawad?
Are
He's
you?
so good looking, and if everybody wants him, then we should use that, yeah, to our benefit. Make a Shandar. किसके साथ? मीरा के साथ. बट वो एक्ट्रेस नहीं है.
तो आप भी कवर कर लेना इनके साथ.
I am happy to put the cover.
Check. Hello, check. Alia, I have a
Yes.
question here.
Yeah.
Talking about Fawad, you're going to do a film with him in the future. What do you have to say about the Shiv Sena targeting Fawad? Like Pakistani actors not promoting their films in Maharashtra.
You know, right now we are, this is not the platform, and there's so much conflict happening right now. Me saying anything to add more conflict, so please let's refrain from asking
At least
any
something,
of
a
that
little
questions.
take off.
No, babe, this is not the podium. This is not the podium to talk about that. Right?
Thank you so much.
आलिया आज ही हमने मॉर्निंग में सोशल नेटवर्किंग मीडिया पे आपकी पिक्चर
आपका माइक गर्दन पे है. हाँ.
यू शाहिद एंड मीरा मैडम की हमने पिक्चर देखी, सेल्फी पिक्चर, शानदार सेल्फी पिक्चर देखी.
उसमें विकास सर भी थे.
हाँ, उनकी उंगली.
ये विकास सर का.
वो आप
करेक्ट उंगली उठाओ बेटा.
तो
उनका उंगली हमारे 3 फेस. हाँ, आप पूछिए.
तो कैसा रहा एक्सपीरियंस?
एक्सपीरियंस कैसा रहा सेल्फी
Experience
का?
क्या मतलब कि
बहुत ही डिफिकल्ट सा मोमेंट था मेरे लिए सेल्फी लेना. मुझे बहुत ही सेल्फी मोमेंट था. मुझे पता नहीं था कि क्या गुजर रहा था मेरे दिमाग में. मैं बहुत नर्वस थी. मुझे ऐसे लग रहा था कि अभी क्या होने वाला है. तो आई एम रियली हैप्पी दैट शायद यू हेल्प मी थ्रू इट.
लेकिन सेल्फी के एंगल में आलिया हमेशा सेल्फीज होती हैं. उनको करेक्ट एंगल चाहिए होता है. लाइट बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट होती है. अप्रूवल चाहिए होता है उनको लाइट का. और बहुत जद्दोजहद और मेहनत के बाद हमने वो मोमेंट अचीव किया. और उस मोमेंट में हमें शानदार महसूस हुआ.
शानदार सवाल.
शानदार.
Alia and Shahid. Yeah.
One last question before we.
Excuse me.
Yeah,
Yeah.
there she is.
So, like you've heard, like Pakistani actors are being banned. Like, they're being banned over here. They're not getting the chance to act. So, what is your take on it?
I've already given the answer. Are you
No, just
listening?
like if
No, I've
you
given
were
my
in a-
answer.
Not
I
targeting-
definitely have an opinion. I'm not going to deny that I have an opinion.
So just the
But
opinion.
no,
Ma'am,
I
I
don't
don't
feel like
think-
this is the podium to discuss that right
Yeah,
now.
I
And
don't
let's
think it's the
refrain from
podium to
discussing
Like
discuss
that.
if you were in that place, that is what I wanted to ask.
Ma'am, I
Like,
don't think this is the right podium.
That's
to
what
discuss.
she's
This is a
trying to
Filmfare
say.
launch cover.
But
Alright,
Shahid, you have always been saying that Meera is not an actress, Meera is not an actress. Whenever been asked that, Vikramaditya Motwani has been approaching Meera to act opposite you in AK versus SK. But still the answer has not been updated to
If
the
you have
media.
questions about Shandar, I'd be happy
Come
to
on,
answer.
Shahid,
If you don't have
please.
questions about Shandar, okay, bye.
Thank you guys so much. Before we end, one last question to both Shahid and Alia. Shahid, you've been, I've been told you've been to the store before. If you can tell us both, this question is for Shahid and Alia. How do you all, I mean, what is the best techno gadget that, you guys associate yourselves with? I'm sure in this day and age, but everyone's technologically savvy. What do you guys do to keep yourselves technologically up to date?
I just listen to Shahid's great banging music on his great banging headphones. That's it. My source to technology is Shahid Kapoor and his music.
So Shahid, would those headphones be your go-to gadget right now?
Actually, the most superior technology that I met in my life is Alia Bhatt, because she has information about everything. If there was anything, any name that the internet should have, it should actually be Alia, because she has information about everything. Yes, so Alia Bhatt is the technology that I enjoy the most.
Thank you. Thank you so very much. Thank you so very much to